Everywhere you turn, there's a new streaming service, a fitness app, a meal kit delivery, all vying for a piece of your hard-earned money. It's enough to make your head spin. You sign up for a free trial here, a discounted offer there, thinking you'll cancel later. But later never comes, and suddenly, you're facing a monthly bill filled with mystery charges you can't quite place. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. Millions of Americans fall victim to subscription fatigue, that overwhelming feeling of being nickel and dimed by forgotten or unwanted subscriptions. It's a financial drain that can seriously impact your budget. So, what's the solution? How do you take control of your subscriptions and stop them from controlling your wallet? This is where Rocket Money steps in. But before we delve into the world of automated financial tools, let's talk about the mastermind behind the company, the CEO who's on a mission to empower everyday people to manage their finances effectively. That person is none other than Brian Kelly. Brian isn't your typical Wall Street executive. He's a self-made entrepreneur with a passion for helping others achieve financial freedom. His journey to becoming the CEO of Rocket Money is an inspiring tale of resilience, innovation, and a genuine desire to make a difference. Brian's early career wasn't paved with gold. He started out working multiple jobs to make ends meet, experiencing firsthand the struggles of living paycheck to paycheck. It was during this time that he developed a keen awareness of the challenges individuals face in managing their finances. Fueled by this understanding and a natural aptitude for technology, Brian set out to create a solution. He envisioned a platform that would simplify personal finance, taking the guesswork out of budgeting and subscription management. This vision eventually materialized into Rocket Money, a powerful app that puts you back in control of your finances. But what exactly does Rocket Money do? Think of it as your personal financial watchdog. Rocket Money seamlessly connects to your bank accounts, providing a clear picture of all your subscriptions. It identifies recurring charges, forgotten trials, and hidden fees, all neatly categorized and displayed in an easy-to-understand format. Feeling overwhelmed by a gym membership you never use? With a few clicks in the Rocket Money app, you can cancel it with ease. Worried about an upcoming price hike for a streaming service? Rocket Money can negotiate a better deal on your behalf, saving you precious dollars every month. Beyond subscription management, Rocket Money offers a suite of other valuable tools. It helps you create personalized budgets, track your spending habits, and even set financial goals. It's a one-stop shop for all things personal finance, empowering you to make informed financial decisions. But Rocket Money isn't just about technology. Brian Kelly and his team understand that financial well-being goes beyond automated tools. They offer a wealth of educational resources on their platform, providing insights and advice tailored to help you navigate the complexities of personal finance. So, whether you're a seasoned budgeter or just starting out on your financial journey, Rocket Money can be a valuable companion. With Brian Kelly's vision leading the way, the company is constantly innovating to provide users with the tools and knowledge they need to achieve financial peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, ***.